Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, then hi, this is Amanita and this is my channel Makeup and Beauty. So in today's video, I am going to review and swatch the oldest launch all from K-Beauty. I probably the last one who is going to swatch and going to talk about this lipstick. The only reason of this delayed review is just because that this lipstick that I'm going to review today a little bit expensive. That's why I was waiting for some sale to grab it because I didn't got it in PR. Before I start this video, let me tell you this is not a sponsored video, this is not a PR. I bought each and every lipstick by my own money. Okay, now let's start today's video. So in today's video, I am going to talk about K-Beauty Matte Drama Matte Lipstick and I pick only 4 of them. It's just because that the price of each lipstick is rupees 9.99 and for a drugstore brand, I really feel these lipsticks are expensive and that's why I bought only 4 of them for review purpose. Let me tell you, this lipstick each have 4.2 gram of product, which means that these lipsticks are a little bit more than the usual MAC Cosmetics lipstick. So this is the outer carton box of the lipstick. Can you just see each carton box color is just similar to the inside shade of the lipstick, and that's why you can choose from this carton of the box that which color family you are going to pick. I really like this kind of packaging because you don't need to open the lipstick. You can just see from outside from the name on this carton box and also from the shade that is on the top of these boxes that which shade you need. So definitely this is a very convenient and very cute kind of packaging. I really like it. Actually K-Beauty का जो packaging है वो मुझे हमेशा ही पसंद आया है because I feel like this is the brand that invest their money also on the packaging of each and every product. Anyways, now let's see the bullet of this lipstick. So just like the outer carton box of each lipstick, the bottom of each lipstick have the similar shade that is inside of this lipstick. I really like the packaging of this lipstick because in this way you can understand the shade from outside and you don't need to open the lipstick, or you even don't need to read the name that is written at the bottom of this lipstick to know that which shade is what, because you just need to find out a perfect red shade and you can just easily find it from here. If you need any nude shade, then definitely you can guess which one is a nude one. Yes, this one. And yes, the packaging is very luxurious. As you can see, the rose gold kind of cap of each lipstick is actually adding luxury kind of feeling to each of their packaging. The bullet of the lipstick look like this. It is a very usual kind of packaging of the bullet, although I would say that the bullet is little bit on the broader side, for which it was little bit difficult for me to fill up my lips using this bullet because I have very thin lips, and that's why it is little bit difficult for me to apply directly from the bullet because the bullet is little bit broader. Now this lipstick bullet have a magnetic kind of closure like so. So now let's move on to the review part. All these lipsticks are super pigmented. The texture are super smooth. I mean, this lipstick just glides like a butter on your lips and you will feel that they are just like a satin matte on your lips. I really like the pigmentation of this lipstick. I mean, one swipe is just enough to cover your pigmented lips. Although these lipsticks are not transfer proof at all, they do transfer, but in the demo video I have shown you how you can make this lipstick matte. So don't forget to check out my swatch part also of this 4 lipstick. So anyways, now moving back to the review, this lipstick stays like 3 to 4 hours perfectly on my lips as they transfer a lot. I would say that because these are not matte lipstick and that's why they just fade away after 3 to 4 hours. But yes, if I make my lipstick matte using that technique that I have shown in the swatches part of this video, then this lipstick stays like pretty 5 hours on my lips. Although I would say that these lipsticks are very easy to remove. A simple wet wipes is just perfect and just enough to remove this lipstick. They don't stain your lips, but yes, that definitely moisturize your lips, which is a very good thing. I mean, every time I apply this lipstick and remove it after whole day, I just feel like my lips are pretty moisturized. They are not dry at all. So definitely I would say that these lipsticks are very good quality of lipstick, although the price of these lipsticks are little bit on the higher side. I wish they comes up in a price tag between 500 to 650. That would be a perfect price for this lipstick. But anyways, I am no one to say that what should be the price of this lipstick, but it is my 2 cent part of review that I feel like this lipstick should not be more than 6 650 in price tag. I mean 9.99 for this lipstick. Definitely I would skip and I will try to buy some high-end brand, because MAC also come in this price range. But yes, if you found this lipstick in discount on Nykaa during their sale, then definitely grab it, because these lipsticks are worth buying. The texture, the quality, the pigmentation of these lipsticks are really good. I mean, I have never seen any satin matte lipstick having such a luxurious packaging and so rich in the formula. So overall, I really like this lipstick, and definitely I would love to recommend you all to try out this lipstick if the price of $9.99 is not a factor for you. So anyways, now it's time for the swatches, where I'm going to swatch all the 4 lipstick at one go so that you can see how these lipsticks are. And yes, I'm also going to show you how you can make this lipstick last little bit longer by using a simple technique. So yes, without further ado, let's see the swatches, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye.